Okay, we're looking at problem 2, and it says determining an inverse variation. Suppose x and y vary inversely, and x equals 4 when y equals 12. What function models the inverse variation? I'm going to do a little bit different from the example. So I know the formula is xy equals k, and I'm going to find k first. So I know x is 4 when y is 12. So x equals 4 when y is 12. So I'm going to find my k by multiplying those two. So 4, just plugging it into that formula, and I get k is equal to 48. So now the other form of the formula, and this is just y-intercept form, is just y equals k over x, and I know my k, so I can rewrite this as y equals 48 over k. Okay, so that's what they have, y equals 48 over k. Then it says, what does the graph of this function look like? I'm going to use my free graphing calculator at www.desmos.com, and I'm going to graph it for us. So that's y equals 48 over x. And we can't see it, so I'm going to zoom out. And there we have it there. Then I'm going to also add a table. That's not the way I want to do it. I'm going to convert it to table, and it tells me those points that they gave me here in my book. Oops, wrong book. So 3, 4, we can go down and put those values in our graphing calculator. So we just hit enter, 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 enter. So we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we can plug those in our calculator as well to find out those values. The next it says, what is y when x is 10? So y, we know 48, x is 10, plugging that on in, and I get y is equal to 4.8. So when x is 10, y has to be 4.8. Okay, so now let's go on to the got it. So suppose x and y vary inversely, and x is 8 when y is negative 7. What is the function that models the inverse variation? So first, let's clear my board, and I know that x, y equals k. And I know x equals, I forgot what they said there. X equals 8, y equals negative 7. So I can find my k. So that is 8 times negative 7 equals k. And so I get negative 56 is my k value. So I can rewrite this as y equals negative 56 over x. So there's my function, because the original function is y equals k over x. Okay? And then it says, what does the graph of the function look like? I can easily put that in my graphing calculator at www.desmos.com. So that's y equals negative, what was it, 56, I think it was? Negative 56 over x. And I can also, add my table, and I have a few values there, and I get my graph. Then it says, what is y when x is 2? So we already have y, so y equals negative 56 divided by 2. So that means that y equals negative 4, 8. No, that's not right. That can't be right. Sorry about that. I'm going to just use my calculator. 56 divided by 2 is 28. Sorry about that. negative 28. So y equals negative 28 when x is 2. I hope this helps.